Welcome to Motorsports Mania, your go-to destination for the latest automotive reviews, updates, and deep dives into the world of modern vehicles. In this video, we're taking a closer look at the 2026 Buick Enclave, a luxury midsize SUV that continues to evolve with both elegance and practicality, bringing a fresh approach to premium family transportation. The 2026 Buick Enclave arrives with a refined exterior design that reflects Buick's latest design language. It maintains a sleek and sculpted profile, but subtle tweaks give it a more aggressive and modern stance. The front fascia is enhanced with a larger grille and more angular LED headlights that add a sense of sophistication while improving visibility. The rear end gets redesigned tail lamps and a more pronounced bumper, which together give the vehicle a wider, more planted look on the road. Standard 20-inch wheels add to its commanding presence, while higher trims offer even more striking alloy designs. Under the hood, the 2026 Enclave carries a robust 3.6-liter V6 engine, delivering around 310 horsepower and paired with a smooth shifting 9-speed automatic transmission. This powertrain provides a strong yet quiet ride, staying true to Buick's reputation for comfort and refinement. Whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating through city traffic, the Enclave feels composed and capable. For drivers who prioritize efficiency, Buick offers an upgraded mild hybrid system that improves fuel economy slightly without sacrificing power. All-wheel drive is available across trims, offering added confidence in slippery or challenging road conditions. Inside, the Enclave offers a luxurious and tech-forward cabin that easily seats up to 7 passengers. Premium materials are used throughout the interior, from soft-touch surfaces to available leather upholstery with contrast stitching. The front seats are power-adjustable, heated, and ventilated in higher trims, ensuring maximum comfort in any weather. Second-row captain's chairs provide extra space and convenience, while the third row is surprisingly roomy for adults, making this SUV ideal for families and group travel. Noise insulation is exceptional, thanks to Buick's quiet tuning technology, creating a peaceful ride that enhances every journey. Technology takes center stage in the 2026 model. A large 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system dominates the dashboard, offering crisp graphics and fast response times. It supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as standard, alongside built-in navigation and a premium Bose sound system in upper trims. USB ports are accessible from all 3 rows, and a wireless charging pad keeps your devices powered up without hassle. For rear passengers, available dual entertainment screens provide hours of content, especially during long road trips. Buick has not skimped on safety features either. The 2026 Enclave comes with a full suite of advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. A 360-degree surround view camera is also available, making parking in tight spots much easier. The SUV also offers a new semi-autonomous driving mode in its top trim, enabling hands-free highway driving under certain conditions. These features not only provide peace of mind but also elevate the Enclave's status in the competitive midsize luxury SUV segment. Cargo space is another area where the Enclave shines. With all seats up, there's still a generous amount of room for groceries or sports equipment. Folding the third and second rows reveals a flat and spacious cargo area, ideal for weekend getaways or larger hauls. Power liftgate and hands-free operation make loading and unloading more convenient, especially when your hands are full. Trim levels for the 2026 Buick Enclave include the base Preferred, mid-range Essence, and the more luxurious Premium and Avenir. Each trim offers an increasing level of sophistication and technology, with the Avenir standing out as a true luxury contender. It includes exclusive interior accents, upgraded wheels, and unique badging that sets it apart. Whether you're looking for value or high-end features, there's an Enclave trim that matches your lifestyle and preferences. Fuel efficiency is reasonable for a vehicle of this size and capability. The standard V6 delivers around 18 mpg in the city and 26 mpg on the highway, while the mild hybrid version can bump those numbers slightly. It's not the most fuel efficient in its class, but the balance of power and comfort makes it a solid choice for families and commuters alike. In terms of driving dynamics, the Enclave remains smooth and predictable. It isn't a sporty SUV, but that's not its mission. Its suspension absorbs most road imperfections with ease, delivering a cushioned ride that feels more premium than some of its rivals. Steering is light yet responsive, and braking is confident, helping drivers feel in control at all times. For buyers who value style, comfort, technology, and safety in a spacious package, the 2026 Buick Enclave is a strong contender. It may not be the flashiest option on the market, but it delivers where it matters most: comfort, practicality, and premium features that elevate daily driving. Thanks for watching our in-depth look at the 2026 Buick Enclave. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on the latest in the automotive world, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the Motorsports Mania family. We've got plenty more car reviews, comparisons, and industry news coming your way.